Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku based on August 24, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Second grade and 8th grade. We have pair numbers 239, that three numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Second grade, we already give it 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 2. 8th also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 7. 6th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. 7th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row, 6th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, column J we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, column I we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, 8th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 6th grade, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 9th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 9th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. 5th row, we have 2 and 6, so 2 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. 5th row, we have 2 and 9, so 2 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 3. 6th row, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.